How to fix Roblox full screen tearing or glitching on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to resolve visual issues while playing in full screen mode. First, close the Roblox app completely on your computer. After that, click on the Start menu and open Settings. From there, click on System. At this point, click on Display. In the next step, scroll down and click on Graphics. Following this, click on Browse under Add an App, then locate and select Roblox's executable file. Once done, click on the Roblox app once it appears in the list. From here, click on Options. At this stage, select High Performance if that option is available, then click Save. Keep in mind, reopen Roblox and check if the tearing or glitching has improved after this change. Finally, if the issue continues, right-click on the Start menu, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, and select Update Driver, since outdated GPU drivers are a common cause of screen tearing. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Roblox full screen tearing or glitching on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.